In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email from Salesforce Flow using email template with send email action. We'll start inside Salesforce. Sign into your org, open the gear icon, and go to Setup. If you see an option to open the advanced or full setup, click that so you have the complete admin view. In the quick find box, type Flows, open the Flows page, and click New Flow to create one from scratch. Choose Triggered Automations. This category contains flows that run automatically in the background based on events, so you don't need a user to click anything. Next, select Record Triggered Flow. This type of flow starts when a record is created or updated, making it perfect for sending emails when something changes. For the object, type and select Contact. That tells Salesforce which kind of record will kick off the automation. Now choose the Actions and Related Records option. This runs after the record is saved and lets the flow perform actions, like sending emails, and work with related data without blocking the user experience. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add an element, then select Send Email. Give the email action a clear label so you'll recognize it later. The API name will autofill based on the label, which is expected and helpful for consistency. For recipients, pick Triggering Contact, then choose Email. This targets the email address on the contact record that fired the flow, ensuring the message goes to the right person without extra lookups. Enter the sender email address next. For best results, use a verified org-wide email address or an address that's allowed in your org. Otherwise, Salesforce may block delivery. Now choose to select an existing email template. Using a template ensures consistent branding, subject lines, and merge fields that can pull data right from the triggering record. When prompted, select the email template ID that matches the message you want to send. Click Save to store the email action. Back on the main flow screen, provide a clear flow label so admins can easily identify what this automation does. Then click Save for the flow itself. Finally, click Activate. Activation makes the flow live so it can run when contact records meet your trigger conditions. That's it. You've set up a record-triggered flow that sends an email using a standard template and the send email action. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.